Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dina Taskia Salsabila, NPM 2441134. I'm from Management Program Studi Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis. Here I will explain about economic system and business environment. An economic system in the method or mechanism used by a country or society to organize and manage limited resources to meet the unlimited needs of its people. The economic system determines how goods and services are produced, distributed, and consumed, as well as who will benefit from these goods and services and how wealth is distributed. There are various types of economic system, including 1. Traditional economic system, based on customs and traditional that have existed for a long time. Goods and services are produced and distributed based on local custom and needs. Example, some rural communities in the world still rely on traditional farming and barter system. 2. Market economic system. This system emphasizes market freedom, where decisions regarding production and distribution of goods and services are made by individual or private companies. The supply and demand of the market determines the prices of goods and services. Example, the United States, many Europe countries. 3. Command economic system. The government has full control over the production, distribution, and pricing of goods and services. Resources are managed by the state for the benefit of the public, and decisions are not based on free market principle. Example, the former Soviet Union, North Russia, and North Korea. 4. Mixed economic system. A combination of market and command system. The government regulates certain sectors of the economy to ensure social welfare, while other sectors are managed based on market freedom. Example, Indonesia, Germany, Sweden. Business environment. The business environment refers to all the factors that affect a company operation. Both directly and indirectly, this environment can be divided into two main categories: micro environment and macro environment. 1. Microenvironment. Internal. The microenvironment includes factors that are within the company and directly affect its daily operations, such as suppliers. Companies depend on suppliers for raw material to produce goods and services. Customers' demand greatly influences sales and profitability. Competitors. Existing competitors in the market also affect a company's strategies and policies. Employees. The human resource within the company, from staff to management, directly impact company operation. 2. Macro environment. External. The macro environment includes external factors that have a broader impact on business and cannot be controlled by the company itself. These factors include: A. Economic factor. Refers to economic conditions that affect consumer purchasing power and consumption patterns. Example include inflation, interest rates, and unemployment level, which can impact the demand for goods and services. Social culture factor relate to change in social values, custom, and culture trends, which affect consumers' lifestyle and preference for certain product or service. C. Political and legal factor. Political decisions and regulations set by the government can affect business operations. This includes fiscal policies, tax regulation, labor laws, and consumer product laws. The relationship between economic system and business environment. The economic system and business environment are closely interconnected. The economic system influences the policies and regulation present in the business environment, which then affect business decision. For example, in a market economy, companies have more freedom to set price and determine production volume, while in a command economy, companies are more regulated by government policies. The business environment also influences how companies operate within the existing economic system. External factors such as global economic conditions or technological advancement can lead businesses to adapt their strategies in response to change. Conclusion: the economic system provides the legal framework and structure for business operation, while the business environment presents the challenges and opportunities that companies must navigate. A solid understanding of both is essential for the continuity and success of business in a dynamic market. Thank you very much for your nice attention. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.